What's going on? This is Dirty Bear and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Now let's get right into it. Number 10, Bella versus Spice. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my box foot essay, G's and P. I know people, it is seeming very crazy, very strange that Spice is making my social media countdown like every single week. Well, it's not really that crazy. Spice is controversy and controversy is Spice. But NTU, so as you know, so Spice is on this season of Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. And you know, every week on our Instagram she posts like clips so you can look forward to that episode. So last week, Spice posted this clip that featured like a fight, like a scrabble with she and some of her cast members. And yeah, I guess that sounds regular, normal, regular, all of them something there, but guess what? Somebody, have vlogger, not me, have vlogger by the name of Bella Blair decided to comment on Spice's post and said this. This is the kind of representation we like to see. Applause, clap hand, over it face. But to box foot, as you can hardly imagine, you know say Spice. Spice official, the original damn doggone, have skittle behavior when she choose to. Not going to take this just lying down, just like easy breezy cover girl. No, Spice going to come to her 100% Tegareg Butu style. And she did not her disappoint. Read what Spice responded. Big go Remember say me never know about you until you start acting brawling and ghetto. It was the same representation that made you
good as goody. Yeah, good girl, goody. It's over here, so make sure say that one you big like that one yeah. Yes. Push.
But I saw you enough and hypocritical. Remember say the boy, if you're in the bush and no man have my receipt like you, so move your dirty and way. Me never know say me should go upon Love and Hip Hop, create baptism and all what talk about fight. I see him, so if me go down there and sit down and make them beat me up over there, on still with an the world know what the show is about, and on the germs would have said me go upon the show and I go on with nothing. Think me know about on the old clock.
6.5 hours later.
You think me make a can bust all now? Go drink 2 gallons of bleach today and lay down in the sun. You stink like put toilet.
The little post when me make a hit about them real bad. Girl, you see don't a text attack me on your keypad.
I think said the little war would have stopped there so about the Bella, the Blair. She went on to leave a comment.
Day 2.
Laughing emoji, laughing emoji, laughing emoji, laughing emoji, laughing emoji. I'm sorry, I had higher expectations of you, my love. Full stop. P.S. I may have had sex in a car before, but never the bush. Wink. All the best, and I hope all this fighting gets you to where you want to be. I still don't like it. Whatever that emoji is. So then Spice official clapped back. Higher expectations of me? After me the pastor nor your mama. Hope your loud and brawling skits get you where you want to be. You like a shit. Me no know how we make Spice move so strong. Me no know how she and Bella have. Boy, Spice man. Spice don't look better man. Me tell you last week, you know, me no know how them petty and savage part of you there. Where I work out with your Women's Empowerment Foundation, you know. Personally, I think you should have renamed the foundation to like helping women in business support. Or like body preservation empowerment. You know something, because the woman empowerment, something about them two words they come together, it look like it just a cancel out all of the little efforts them way I make when you keep on a cussing back and forth with women like this. So I think if you just change around the name, say Women's Empowerment Foundation for makeup. We can't work with that. People can't work with that. We can't understand that, you know, in a little whole beauty, sexiness, stage performance thing. And as for Bella, me would leave the comment here because it would have kind of make you sound a little bit kind of bitter. Because I understand the Love and Hip Hop franchise, but Bella, I know you're developing your own creative artist, so I understand the whole skittle and the skin out and the whole of this. You want our greater standard to be raised as it pertains to the music that we produce in Jamaica. So I get that, but me personally, me just don't know if that was like the best move to come in there because you know Spice our clap back. And Spice clearly look like she have everybody receive just in our file, sit down next to her and I wait for just pop it out on them anytime them ready.
Me argue with you, that's ridiculous. You're supposed to learn him as
I'm not rate you, so you are fake, please understand that. You are not on my level.
Well, let me know what you think, burritos. Are you Team Bella or Team Spice? Comments below. Number 9, Brazil through. Be turtleneck. So as you know, so Jamaica is a Brazil-loving country that just not going to change. And in true fashion, let me just say congratulations to Brazil, my team. Well, not really, but congratulations to Brazil for moving through to the quarterfinals after defeating Mexico 2-0. Yes, congratulations Brazil, and big up yourself, Neymar, you're finally back in the middle of things. You score goal of all of these things. And in true form, you know, just look for the celebration them with the people them go out just because Brazil got through.
Nobody can't tell me it's a Riemann a man. Hey, nobody can't tell me it's a man, you know.
And oh yeah, let me go talk about how Mr. Neymar has gone viral because of how dramatic he was going on during the match. See the brother, you're Jesus Christ. You could have sneezed on Neymar. When Neymar catch the sneeze there, when him done, you're going to get 10 years worth of red card while him collect 15 years worth of Oscar awards. Neymar be like... Free all the video. This is what coach is going to start do to them players.
Neymar!
And oh yes, I forgot to play this like a morning segment for Portugal. Big up yourself, Cristiano Ronaldo. And boy, Argentina with Messi. It's sad pang uno. Let me know, Burritos, which team I think will officially win World Cup 2018? Comment below. Number 8, Latin moves. So, I have to give you some good news. My little dancer friend by the name of Queen Latisha. Yes, man, it's a Jamaican dancer with the bone here. She win Dancehall Queen a couple years ago. You know, she have a little article in the Star one day because my girl get big endorsement by the Queen herself, Queen Beyonce. So, as you know, a couple, weeks, months ago, Beyonce and Jay-Z visited the island because they have some little private video shoot, which was really for promotional scenes for their On The Run 2 tour that them have going on across the world right about now. So when they came to Jamaica, apparently they had do some little dancehall scenes and them request the help of Queen Latisha. Beyonce's head dancers by the name of Jasmine Body actually had a private session with Queen Latisha in Jamaica where, she could have teach her some of her moves them so she can carry to Beyonce and, incorporate it in the set. So that going good. And on top of that, when they went to one of the locations, them Queen Latisha apparently have on this buckle dress. But the way this buckle dress is set so good, when Beyonce and her team saw the dress, Beyonce and her team was like, yeah, but I think what me have on right now too hot. Me want the buckle dress there where Queen Latisha have take it off her and put it on me body. Big up yourself, Queen Latisha. Big up all of the Jamaicans them that were on set and it is just nice to hear them little story here. Big up. Number 7, Electric Arrow. Mr. City. So recently there has been a little rumor just going all around social media that the Master Griffith song that is called Electric Slide.
And I'll teach you, I'll teach you the electric slide.
So apparently people say that the Electric Slide was actually a song about a vibrator, a dildo. But anyway, so Master Griffiths actually took to social media to talk to the fans them worldwide to tell them that nothing no go so. Listen.
Greetings social media. This is Marcia Griffiths. And unfortunately, I wish I came on social media for a more positive reason. I know nothing about singing for any, I hate to even repeat the name.
No, don't say it, Marcia. Don't.
What is it? Vibrator.
Oh, Jesus, people, I got you say it. She said.
I would not have lasted in this business if I wasn't sending out positive message to teach, educate, and uplift.
Stop spreading the rumor upon the woman nice, decent song about the Electric Slide. It have nothing to do with no vibrator. So cease and desist. Master Griffith said that. And now check out the second random video of the week.
Complete the Jamaican cover. Rain or fall, but usable. That's incorrect. Jamaican, want to try? Yes. But they dirty tough. Okay.
Number 6, Wayne Lockless. Me dress a draw. So dancehall reggae artist Wayne Marshall is now sporting a new look. This was Wayne Marshall before.
They coming home to every night. I just no good old wife. I just no good old.
Yes, to Boxfoot, the brother has cut off his Rastafarian looking type of locks. I don't know what it is or if it was sister locks or what it was. But basically him cut it off and now him just gone back to a regular low cut fade type of thing where I move with. Now if you have not been following up with Marshall's career, so since recently him not really put out no Yaga song, not that he ever did. But he has been going the spiritual route. Some weeks ago his father passed off and he's released quite a hit single by the name of Glory to God, and the song that all over get heavy rotation. It's in the streets, people love it, people embrace it, and that song featured Ryan Mark as well as Tessan Chinita Buddhas.
Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver
Ladies, what do you think about Wayne Marshall's new look? Comment below. Number 5, Lady Gangsta at it. So, Lady Gangsta is probably the new social media sensation because we do not know what happened to Rosie, we don't know what happened to Barbie, we don't know what happened to all of these, Instagram females that did that trend at some point. But the new one where really make herself available is Queen Lady Gangsta, that is her residing in Mossy, England, in London, England, most over there, so she is at. But she is going to do their antics them and causing quite a storm in Jamaica.
Man, you're entertainer. Me just a loudmouth queen will like myself. I'm happy for nothing at all. Leave me alone, woman. But girl, who cussing at this day and age and tell girls to them big? My supposed to be cause it's 5 people jump out of it plus the one them when I dash to the funeral them when I keep so that.
This is one woman me would want to in one cuss out with. Personally, I think there's something interesting about this lady, minus the video she put her on social media. If you see that, just ignore it. But there's something fascinating, something special. I kind of see her as a case study. It's never just want to put her in one lab and just examine her and figure out her ways. I know she basically becoming like a meme. She have her catchphrases. Kids, if your mother asks you, what you going to do after you graduate, respond to her like this.
I have no business, I have no school, I have no more worthless and kill it.
No joke. Don't, you will get kicked out. Do not, no, don't do it. Don't please, I beg you. Do that. Number 4, Ball Out J.A. So, I do not hardly know how to really angle this story, but, so since, Chosen doing song, the Ball Out remix where people, in the gospel community never really too sure if should I make such a move.
Jesus, name me ball out.
Me not take the video where me I go show you. Next, going to hell. Well, yep. But let me just say this, that you can't really use this because them older and them drunk, so them they really know what them are doing. People probably play the song and I boost them up for a dance to it so them can go put it on social media so it can go viral. So me not really, I discredit them with the video here. It don't really count. People do dance the gospel. You have everybody have that one Tegereg friend who will be doing some stuff like this, the gospel music. Well, now it is time for the big up segment. Well, first up, I have to go big up to all of the Caribbean people that I forgot when I was doing the whole BET invasion on the last countdown. So first up, I have to go say that Amara La Negra is not from Dominica, but she's actually from Dominican Republic. So we had lots of Caribbean people who were repping for soca. So we had like Nyla Blackman, we had Bonji and Fayon that did a rep soca music. Oh, and also, Hood Celebrity was there. As you know, I don't know, I represent for all of the walking trophy them. Yeah, big up yourself, BET, you want to see more things like this. I know last week I put this commercial, this bad commercial from Grace is all about flares in the air, mackerel, runabout and all of these things. I'm going to bring it back in this week's countdown because Grace ad is just bad and shell like that. Check it out.
Boat run every day now. So it's not even a concept for we, it's a lifestyle. Appreciate the love and the movement from Grace for being here with the sun at today and just hang out today or chill, running a boat. Sometimes it's not what you give, it's how you give. Brilliant. Number 3, Luke Cage, Jamaica. Box cover. So as you might have known, Luke Cage is a Netflix series where basically talk about the superhero where have like super strength and but anywho, they came to the island some time ago to shoot some scenes for episode 11.
Pineapple planting mangoes. Everything fresh.
I have to go big up, the winner of the Jamaica Actor Boy Awards, the best actor, Densman Dennis. He had got a role in the film, a talking role, so big up himself, see him seeing there.
Mother, you're sure this science thing going to work? If you don't calm down, I'm going to put you out.
I'm not even start talking about Sprint of the movie yet, Me not start talking about Yadi with Idris Elba yet, but it are coming. But me have to go big up to all of the actors in Jamaica who are represented on the international stage. Give yourself a round of applause. And then there was this particular scene in a Luke Cage where the people them just completely just come to Jamaica and take away every single thing. The people them shade it in the wickedest and most honest way. So here's how it goes.
You didn't get your freedom, what? 1962. And then you got enslaved by the World Bank. All you're known for is marlet, marijuana, and murder.
No, hang up, Luke Cage, Netflix, we never deserve this. Hang
hang up. Number 2, cry for your side. Me football. So this brother is probably the ultimate German fan. When Germany went home, this brother put up this video, a call ball on social media. Me not have nothing more to say but to watch.
The round of 16 on 6 points each.
I feel like, well, I'm fun.
Argentina legend
The fun has some work and it's a hater.
After being treated
know nothing about football and I come share some side. The fun devil on side now World Cup and I come beat side against one side.
Over Nigeria.
The fun for poor enough.
Message on his Instagram account.
That me I tell the fun here.
Problem with his neck.
Try about it straight. Nothing changed. Nothing to change in my game. One team.
I can't really say nothing, you know, because I was supporting Germany too, and Germany go home. But let me know, would you be so passionate as to go to the extreme for a cry for your side? Comment below. And number 1 goes to Mr. Vegas, King Alarm, and the MehMeh. Me asak. So G's and P, I do not know where to even start with this story. So if you have social media and you're connected to Jamaica, you must have seen this video with some brother and King Alarm and Mr. Vegas up in the middle of the story, you know, man, pop going and all kind of things. Somebody might have gotten shot. All of them excitement there, you see the video. Let me heartbreak it down. This whole King Alarm drama was over. I think the brother in a jacket suit must allegedly owe some maintenance fees and yada yada yada. So that's all I can tell you. The brother walk off, and then after that Mr. Vegas decided to say he want to be Superman, CNN, TVJ, BBC and everything in one. Pre.
You kill youth because you don't listen, my youth. My youth. You see you?
I just not understand. If me see somebody with a gun enough for them and then I walk around and I patrol the place, me not so sure how stable for them mind be. Me not gonna there and I call this person idiot. Me just not gonna do it, but Jesus Christ, Vegas, you're brave like me.
You see you? You want, let me tell you something. You want big, you want big idiot man.
As sad and messy as this video is, I have to find the humor. Because you know, see some very things set up. I have to find like a humor in it, and this is where the humor for me start. The man in the jacket, the man just apparently got to cut him gun and must fire for somebody. The man is shocked, the man is terrified. The man don't even know where middle name is right about now. And Mr. Vegas talked to the man. And of all the questions, you could have asked somebody, Mr. Vegas decided to tell the man, interrogating and say,
look at me and tell you cool, me tell you look for me, me sure say, Mike, me sure say a Vegas attack.
Look for me, look for me, look for me. You don't see no man.
You still go kill the man, my youth, like you idiot, my youth. My youth, you're looking at my face and see a Vegas and me tell you cool.
Tell them say Vegas say so.
Look into my eyes and see a Vegas. Because yes, Mr. Vegas, the brother didn't have to be a fan. And where am I going to right now? Like, oh, Jesus, P with his Vegas. Oh, let me have some reverence. Jesus, the man now in awe of you. The man just in a one major traumatic type of episode just reached the man a while ago. And you want the man to be in awe of you because you attacked him Vegas, man. Oh, Jesus, P. The brother does stand up and look on Vegas. All Vegas are asking the brother does kill Vegas with.
No, 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 no. Kill them with it now.
So when I examine the video, one of my questions is why was the woman a move so strong? Why she a move so strong towards the brother?
Calm down, sister. Calm down, sister. Wanna calm down.
Yo, come on, big.
All I know is that after this King Alarm, you basically just had an icon and God's man all of your work.
Look for me now. Look what I talk to you. Look what I talk to you now. Look, brother, look what I talk to you. A Vegas attack to you. See?
Well. Next question. See ya.
Now video to man. Now take care of you. Me I get the head. You know?
No man. Gino, where there? Gino, where are you?
Usher him out.
So when the King Alarm video was posted, it went viral soon after and people started to develop a bag of memes about Mr. Vegas. Mr. Vegas put out this video.
One thing, you know, black people talented, you know. You must see some real creative MehMeh. And the baddest MehMeh them, I tell you, say, yo. Anybody will make them MehMeh there?
Yeah.
MehMeh.
Yeah.
Trust me, when they're really talented. I love them. But you are going now. We don't want the meme them stop, you know.
But he never really kind of know how to, pronounce the word M-E-M-E. And some people started to laugh. And then him go put out the next video on social media trying to break it down and understand why it don't pronounce MehMeh.
Cherin, so I just post a video and them a beat me bad. So I call MehMeh wrong and it was supposed to be memes. Because the spelling is M-E-M-E. So M-E is what?
Meh.
And M-E-M-E is what? M-E-M-E is what?
MehMeh.
So M-E-E-M what?
Meme.
So how them get M-E-M-E if you pronounce meme?
Because they're about to ask. That is not a real word. It's them make up that something one day on the internet, gibberish and whatever.
Meme was originally brought about by a biologist called Richard Dawkins, and it's basically a cultural artifact that is spread digitally, like on digital platforms, like, basically social media. So that is what the whole, internet meme thing is.
So they make up a word and tell you how to pronounce it?
Yes, so looking at the dictionary, you go find MehMeh.
So how them get that pronunciation? Explain to me.
It can't be meme, because the way you never put it, the way you never spell it M-E-E-M. If you want to give the long sound E, you have to put an accent over it.
Well, all I have to say is that the English language is a very strange and interesting thing. Honestly, I think it's one of the hardest languages to learn. There is some thought about when you have like a, like a one syllable, long vowel type of sound. All of them something there, we could have break down the whole plosive, versus nasal, consonants. But what I can say to you is that, yeah, sure it pronounce MehMeh, but think about it like the word, like Gene. You see the same way how Gene are pronounced Jenny, it is pronounced Gene, or when you have a word like S-C-E-N-E, that is pronounced scene, and not Sene. Yeah, it just fall into the category of complicated pronunciations like that. Mr.Vegas is so English day, sometimes we have silent letter, all kind of things.
You is smart.
Well, let me know, Bereaders, what do you think about this whole situation? I wish that it could have been avoided, but it done on social media already. I'm sure some people are going to lose them job. I'm sure some people are going to talk about, the whole licensing of gun and one bag of things are going to make out like the two rich man, all angles and all of these things. But let me know what you thought about this entire ordeal. Comment below. Did I say ordeal? Comment below. Well, that is it, people. Thanks so much for watching this Dirty Berry Top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe. Subscribe, people. Tell a friend. Make sure you get somebody to subscribe. And if you like the particular part of the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Click the thumbs up button, as well as leave a comment. Let me know what was your favorite part of the video. If you want to advertise or promote something in my social media countdown, just send me an email to dirtyberryshow@gmail.com and we can work out the ins and outs. Also, I have to tell you that I will be going to Reggae Sumfest 2018 in Montego Bay, so you will be seeing me live spear and all of these things. Love my love St. James. Minus the KFC wherever full up and just full of long line. I don't understand why KFC have to go on some of it. But anyway, that's it, people. Take care until next countdown. My stuff up. I can't bother. I chat too much now. Peace out, man. Man, damn.